Hello guys and welcome back to the third part of Guadalupe tutorial. This is going to be a silent demonstration so that you can follow up listening to the music of the cello, which is my favorite instrument in classical music. I hope you enjoy it, and I will just leave some descriptions of what I am doing during the process so that you can follow along. Let me know if you like this kind of painting demonstration, or if you would like more tutorials in which I explain with voiceover what I am doing. Okay, so enjoy! This is the breaking down of how I make faces, starting with geometrical shapes. We start by drawing a circle and then a triangle, and I wrote down the centimeters so that you can have an approximate of the measures. But what will be working better for us is to divide in halves. So we find the center of the circle and the triangle, and then we draw the eyes. Depending on the character we want to draw, for instance, I like to draw feminine faces with a little and small chin and with a large forehead, and to achieve like a egg shape face. But you can choose if you want smaller eyes, bigger mouth, short forehead, bigger chin, or even a rounder face. It's up to you, but the only rule is to find the eyes in the center. These rules applies also when we are drawing the face of Guadalupe with the eyes in the center, but just a little bit looking to the side, 3/4. But as you can notice, the proportion between the eyes and the chin and the nose follows the same rules. And now this is a very fast demonstration on how to create soft shadows with pencil powder. I am using different kinds of pencil depending on how soft and how dark I want the shadows. So for this first shadow I am using a 2 or 4B, and then later I am accentuating some details with 6B, and then I am going to use an 8B to go even darker with the details. I find this a very practical way to study the features and the model that I want to paint, so that I can identify where the shadows goes and where the light goes. So when you saw the demonstration of colors painting in wash, it can be more easily explained when you do it only with black and white and with dark and light values. It is easier to work this way because if you have a mistake, for instance, you can get back the light from the paper just using an eraser. Hope that you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it, guys, and let me know if it was useful for you. What did you like, or what did it work best for you? And what do you expect for our next tutorials or painting demonstrations? See you on Patreon, and until the next one, bye!